Hi, and welcome to the Stellar Tech Talk channel. Have you ever wondered how it is possible for a company to undertake such massive space exploration endeavors? Today, we'll dive into how SpaceX catches rockets and how the future of space exploration revolves around reusable tech. SpaceX is redefining space travel, that's undeniable. From landing rockets vertically, to launching payloads into orbit for less cost, Elon's company has been on a mission to make space travel cheaper and sustainable. And now, they're taking that mission one step further with something truly mind-blowing: catching rockets using a giant robotic tower nicknamed Mechazilla. But how does this system work? And what does it mean for the future of space exploration? Stick around, because we're about to break it all down in a way that's easy to understand, yet packed with juicy technical details. Before we dive into the mechanics, let's answer one question. Why is catching rockets such a big deal? The answer comes down to reusability. Traditional rockets have always been disposable. Imagine if every time you flew on a plane, the aircraft was destroyed afterward. That's what space travel was like for decades. SpaceX changed that with the Falcon 9, a rocket that can land itself and be reused multiple times. However, vertical landings come with challenges. The landing legs add extra weight and complexity, and the impact with the landing pad still causes wear and tear. By catching the rocket mid-air, SpaceX can reduce damage, eliminate heavy landing legs, and prepare the rocket for relaunch much faster. So, what is Mechazilla? Imagine a giant tower, equipped with massive robotic arms that act like chopsticks. These arms are designed to catch a descending rocket just before it reaches the ground. The goal is to grab the rocket, stabilize it, and place it directly onto a launch pad or servicing platform for quick turnaround. This system is being developed primarily for SpaceX's Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft that's designed to take humans to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Now, let's break down how the catching process actually works, step by step. And don't worry, we'll keep it simple enough for everyone to understand, but with just the right amount of technical detail for you space enthusiasts. First, as the rocket approaches the tower, it uses its Raptor engines to slow its descent. SpaceX's Raptor engines are a technological marvel. They use a full-flow staged combustion cycle, which is one of the most efficient and powerful engine designs ever created. This allows the rocket to control its speed and angle of descent with extreme precision. As the rocket gets closer to the tower, it uses onboard sensors and GPS to pinpoint its landing position with centimeter-level accuracy. SpaceX's guidance systems are so advanced that the rocket essentially flies itself into the waiting arms of Mechazilla. This is where the real challenge lies. Catching a falling rocket is like trying to catch a falling pencil with chopsticks. Every tiny adjustment matters. The robotic arms of Mechazilla are designed to move quickly and precisely. They're powered by advanced hydraulics and controlled by sophisticated algorithms that predict the rocket's movements in real time. Think of these arms as giant robotic cranes with a soft touch. They must move fast enough to catch the rocket but also gentle enough to avoid damaging its structure. Once the rocket is caught, the arms immediately stabilize it. Any slight movement could throw off the balance, so the system is designed to hold the rocket perfectly still. This step is crucial for safety and ensures that the rocket is ready for its next launch as quickly as possible. Catching rockets isn't just a cool trick, it represents a massive leap forward in space technology. Every time SpaceX reuses a rocket, they save tens of millions of dollars. By eliminating landing legs and minimizing damage, Mechazilla can reduce refurbishment time and costs even further. This means more launches at a lower price. You can see how the costs of traditional launches compare to the reusable rocket launches. Clearly, the amounts are not negligible. Currently, even reusable rockets need several weeks of inspection and repairs before they can be launched again. With Mechazilla, SpaceX hopes to cut this time down to just a few days, or even hours. Reusable rockets are the key to exploring the Moon, Mars, and beyond. If we want to colonize other planets, we'll need to launch and relaunch rockets regularly. And Mechazilla makes that possible. Of course, catching rockets isn't easy. The biggest challenge is precision. Even a tiny error could result in a crash, and the forces involved are enormous. SpaceX is running extensive simulations and tests to make sure the system is safe and reliable. Remember, SpaceX didn't perfect vertical landings overnight. They went through plenty of trial and error. The same will likely be true for Mechazilla. So, what's next? SpaceX plans to test the rocket catching system during upcoming Starship launches. If successful, this could revolutionize space travel as we know it. Elon Musk has even hinted that the same technology could be used on other planets. Imagine catching rockets on Mars without the need for landing pads or heavy equipment. SpaceX's rocket catching system is more than just a bold idea. It's a glimpse into the future of space exploration. By making rockets cheaper, faster, and more reusable, SpaceX is paving the way for humanity's journey to the stars. And remember, space is no longer the final frontier. It may just be our new Wild West. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.